Anyway, weird. The chillest Friday night had like a spa shower vibes. Go pick up with the Madre. So, good morning. It's definitely 12:30 in the afternoon. But hello, welcome to Friday. No, it's actually Thursday. Sorry, lied. But hi. Hang on, let me just get dressed. I have a cute fit on. Crop moment. And then these pants are from Cottonon. This year, I think. I'll bring it up a little so you see a bit of a skin. I literally just came from work and my mum's like, let's go to Carindale. And I'm like, sure, mum, sure. So let's take it out of the plans. I was gonna go to the gym, so I'm gonna blame my mum that I didn't go to the gym today. Oh, you know when you like take it around, I'm just probably going in a claw, which I don't have, which I need to go get. Your Madre is not here yet. Anyway, I put my eyebrows on Thinker. It's 30 degrees and bomb.com said it was gonna rain. So I'm quite sweaty on the face, so this may not work how I want. Oh, of course my camera is no battery. I hope everyone's having a good week. Look at those brows, surely. Let me delete some things. I've deleted some things. Now this brow may not work because I'm pretty sweaty. I usually put it on with straight after the shower, as you guys know, when I'm like super dry. It's actually working. So it's like actually getting pretty thicker, and this isn't sponsored. They sent me it, so. But Lash Fridays came out with a eyebrow serum for your brows, because you know they've got ones for the lashes, and I put it on the brows and I feel like it's doing something. I'm bringing the Louis double bag. This is your sign to get the coffee cups out of your car and not leave them there all week. Wash them. But little life update as I change my bag. Life is good. Sorry about the non-weekly vlog last week. Honestly, I just didn't vlog much. I worked, it closed, and then I wasn't really feeling it in the morning. The next day I was working from 8 till 4. And then I didn't really feel like vlogging after work. And then it was just a cycle of, I just dropped into that. And by the time I knew it, it was bloody Thursday. And by the time I knew it, it was Friday. So there was no point giving you a weekly vlog. And I want to be proud of what I give you. I haven't done any content. I have this package that I need to do content for. I have not done that. I'm going to give you an unboxing because I feel that's something we haven't done. The package I just showed you, I need to do content with. But I need to kind of wear all these things. Unboxing haul, anyone? Before this camera dies and I die of exhaustion. So I need to do content with all these, but I might as well give you a, oh, it's already in another packaging. We love that. I got an hoodie. You guys will see the reel / TikTok / all the things when I need to post. So I need to do that next week. I got a package from Majuri. Majuri is from, oh, I got the earrings. Oh, let me go put my, so this is where like kind of half the jewelry I wear is from, like these earrings I wear all the time. They're from Majuri. I'll try and link them if I can find them. Yeah, I put in a, yeah, it's just like gold stud necklace. I mean, I could. That's what she looks like. Very stunned. It's really hot, so I don't like JS Health. You know how much I love JS Health. Guess what we're stocked up with? Vitality X and Collagen. This is the OG. The green one I usually have is good, but that, chef's kiss. JS Health Moisturize Repair. It smells so good. Oh, if you could smell that. It just smells clean. Like if you've ever had a facial and you go into the facialist and it just smells like fresh, clean, stun. And then a cleanser. Oh, JS Health, you just nail it every time with the smell, to be honest. I actually got this, I know who's it from, I think. Oh my gosh, that also, everything smells so good. It is from Abroli's. I can't pronounce anything right now. There is sweets in it. Oh my god, it smells so... So good. Are you joking? And hair smells actually incredible. Vibe Berry. What is that? Yum. Whatever that is. I got 2 of them. Very yum. Oh, I probably should have bought this in the fridge. What the fuck is this? From France. I don't know what they are, but yeah. Soothing Eye. Stop. When I'm actually running out of skincare. See, I'm pretty sure I've also seen these on in Chemist Warehouse. Anti-stress. Me. Anti-stress. Yes, please. Thank you. Thank you very much. Oh my god, this is so cute. Guess who's doing a full skincare video? It's done. Oh my god, this candle smells so good. Yum. And then they gave me a coffee cup. Like you couldn't know me any better. And if you know, you know I'm obsessed with coffee. Pink? Pink? Well, I get it. It's clearly meant to be a pink. For the shops with me, if I try anything on, I'll show you and I'll let you know. It's definitely going to be on the phone cam. Hello, happy Friday. You're sitting in a box. Your little plats in. And I just got change. I thought I would show you what I got from Cotton Body yesterday because I went to the shops and I totally forgot to show you. But they have a, not Spons, but Cotton Body. They have a seamless, I guess it's seamless. It's the Sexy Braziliano Reefs. And they are the, I don't know, they're like one size fits all. Kind of like Skims vibes if you got like the Skims, you kind of know. But I got 2 in, right? And then I saw this color and I was like obsessed, and literally Skims vibes. So we got these. How cute is that color? Like they're stretchy as fur. And then I got a black one. Very cute, but like one size fits all, like extra small to extra large. Love that. And 5 for 50, even though, no, 5 for 40, sorry. Even though they used to be 5 for 35, but inflation, so. But I hope you guys having a good Friday. If I want to drink wine. Anyway, I'll talk to you guys when shit is happening. Hello, good morning. No, it's definitely afternoon. It's definitely probably 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Hello, welcome to the vlog. It's Saturday, my gems. So I just dermaplaned my face. We've all seen it. Surely I don't have to delete anything. Eat some things because, you know, eat this afternoon really, or tonight, because like gonna be 6 o'clock at night, so hopefully all night. Anyway, we have like a little staff party at work, so showered. I don't know what to wear. I want to wear this skirt. I got it from Target. It's so fucking cute. I want to wear this skirt, right? But I don't know if I want to do like a singlet or a white crossing with like this shirt. We all know this, my green famous shirt. Or a leather blazer, which low-key might do that. And I don't know if I want to wear this Supre Skims dupe top, the black one. Remember, this is the one I wore to my mom's party with those long pants. But now I'm going to blow dry my hair, but I didn't know where I wanted to blow dry my hair. But I just sent some friends like some outfits. I feel like I know what I want to wear. Okay, I'm gonna come talk to you when either we're blow drying or... Okay, so we are now on the ground and we are going to do our hair. Let's blow dry my hair. I blow dried a little bit of the roots, but now I'm gonna blow dry the bottoms with the Bondi Boost. Let me Google how to get like that blow wave. Okay, so I've done half my hair. I need to put the span on. It's a disaster. The skincare, which I know you've all seen before. So where's my eyebrows? Oh, there it is. Okay, we've done the brows. Brows are on. Something like foundation are we using? Maybe the milk, because I know I do use this all the time, but maybe I haven't used the milk in a while. So concealer number 2 in Morphe. A towel that has that velcro shit, so this thing doesn't keep falling down. Milk looks like very hydrating, very like use your hands for your skin. Just make sure you like wash your hands obviously beforehand. But BTS, hello. I've done my hair. How fucking cute. I love this type of hairstyle. Like I just flick it out to the bottom. Let me take all this to the room because it's hot. Yeah. me just listen to jazz. Yeah, this is the hair. Very cute, very bouncy, very the vibe I love. Stunning. Think just going to put the bronze on the jaw. Let's get dressed because I don't know what the fuck I'm wearing. Literally, I don't. Oh, I have some new undies I brought that you saw yesterday. Okay, it has been raining, can confirm. I'm just waiting for it to rain some more. Definitely want to wear this jacket. Right now it's upside down. Let me put on this skirt. And very lightly iron my skirt. Well, I'm actually the cutest fucking human being in the world. What the fuck? No, but truly, I'm so fucking cute. Okay. I'm maybe running a bit late, but oh my god, it's done. But that's fine. Okay, I put some setting spray from Flower Beauty, Chemist Warehouse. Thank you. Plus, I need some deodorant because it's really hot. Alright. Let's pop off. Okay, so outfits on, outfit check. Okay, I'm sweating chips. I'm sweating. Louis bag because it's kind of cute. Selling or know of someone selling the green strap. Please let me know. Is there a liner in here, motherfuckers? Ring. I don't have any rings on. Stop it. I have to leave the house without my love rings. I would have got there and been like, I'm coming home. Do you ever? Anyone else with their jewelry like that? I'm like, no, I need it. Liner. Okay, totally going for the black. Everyone's saying the green. I was gonna wear this green. I'm getting my water bottle. Everyone's saying we're in the green top. Look how fucking cute I am. Are you joking? Look, if you're not hyping yourself up, girl, who else gonna do it for you? Okay, let's go have some fun. Keys, gum. I'll bring the gum. We'll keep it in the car. Okay, I'm fucking sweating. Oh, I can show you a better outfit. This is the fit. I don't know if you even could see that, surely. I don't think I'm picking anyone up either. Like, I offered to pick some people up, but that's cool. I don't mind full-blown sweating chips right now. I feel so fucking cute. Like, so fucking cute. Let's finish up these TikToks just before I leave. Because I won't fucking remember to do it. I'm gonna go so we're not late. I'm gonna listen to some tunes so I can hype myself up. I'm gonna send a cute little picture to my mum. So hey mum, when you're watching this, I'm sending you that video of my outfit. I'm going, I'll see you maybe like the little bits I do.